The reason why I don't use terminals on solid wire is because they don't ever get a good grip. I can do things like this to your wire, which means the vibration of the unit can just do just as good at it, pretty much, you know. Pretty much just take that thing right off, see, from anybody's tight grip. They can pull it right off, see, which means it was not even really on there to begin with. So yeah, I just want to show that to you. That's why solid wire, I do not use these terminals. These terminals are technically, I only use them with stranded wire, because stranded wire gets a good, crisp, clean connection that you need out of these. These, however, do not get a crisp, clean connection out of these. Do not use these on solid wire, please, or we will keep coming back out to you. This has been one of my tips. Thank you. Yeah, I blew that wire pretty good, and it created a bunch of metal sulfide right there. And so when even though I cleaned the connections up, cleaned the wires up coming in and everything, as soon as I threw the switch, it shorted out again and shut down. And so I got my meter set for ohms, and I'll show you what happens here. So like, I just touched the plastic, the conductor itself, after all this sulfide here, metal blown apart. I just want you guys to see this. This is pretty neat. So I just put it in the general vicinity of the plastic, or what's considered as the insulator piece, and I put it in the general area of the insulator piece. And I wanted to show you what my meter does. Just putting it in those general areas with all that oxide there in the area. I just wanted to show you that it actually conducts, believe it or not, just with all that powder. It'll actually conduct straight across the insulator. I had it just a second ago there. I gotta kind of walk it. There it goes right there. See that? That's just on the insulator itself. There it goes. See that? Once again, that's not me touching it. That's just straight up on the insulator. See it? And that's just, once again, with this metal being blown off from leg to leg so bad from that wire hit, that it's actually conducting straight across now. So we're going to go ahead and change this switch naturally, and then reset the breaker and then do our test.